Do you believe all these videos were made using just one image? At first, that might sound impossible, but thanks to today's AI technology, it's completely real. Using a single image, AI can create cinematic action scenes, product reveal videos, singing performances, and even TV commercials. I made all of these using one platform. This platform gives unlimited access to Nano Banana Pro and also provides exclusive early access to Seedance 2.0, which is China's newest and one of the most powerful AI video models available today. Today, we're testing a platform called Luva AI. It's an all-in-one creation platform built specifically for creators. Most importantly, it gives you early access to Seedance 2.0. With Luva, you can also get unlimited access to premium models like Nano Banana Pro, Seedance 2.0, and Seedream 5.0. This makes your workflow much faster and much simpler. Alright, now let's see how to actually create these videos. First, use the link in the description to create an account on the Luva website. Once you log in, you'll see several options on the dashboard: AI video, AI image, AI avatar, and many other AI tools. From here, we can start by creating our first image using Nano Banana Pro. Click on the Text to Image option. In the Models section, you'll see many premium image generation models, including Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 5.0, Kling 3, Wan, Flux, and more. The best part is, all of these models are unlimited, which means you don't use up any credits when you generate images. Next, select Nano Banana Pro, then paste your image prompt into the text box. After that, open the More Settings section and click the Unlimited button. This automatically sets the correct options for unlimited usage. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Within seconds, your image will be ready, and just look at it. The result matches exactly what I described in the prompt. The image looks realistic, with cinematic lighting and strong details, almost like a scene from a Hollywood movie. Now let's turn this image into a video. First, click the Generate Video button, then select the video model. Here, you'll find premium AI video models like Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.0, VEO, Wan, and Hailuo. For this example, I'll use Seedance 2.0 because it's currently one of the most powerful AI video models available. Next, click Frames to Video. You'll see the image we just created. Now paste your animation prompt, choose a 15-second duration, select the aspect ratio, and click Generate. After a few minutes, your AI video will be ready. And here it is. Seedance 2.0 transforms a single image into multiple cinematic shots with smooth camera movement and realistic motion. The man moves naturally, the fog drifts through the air, and the light reflections change on the wet ground. It feels like real movie footage. This shows how powerful this tool is, even when starting from just one image. Now let's look at a few more examples created the same way. First, I made an anime-style action scene.
この夜に全て終わらせる。涙、俺が立っている限りそうさせない。
Again, Seedance 2.0 turns a single image into a fast cinematic action sequence. The rain falls naturally, water drips from the character's clothes, and the camera moves smoothly, creating different angles, just like a real movie. Next, I created a cinematic product reveal commercial. Here, Seedance turns a simple product image into a professional advertisement. The camera slowly moves around the shoe, showing different angles like a real ad shoot. From only one image, it creates a high-end product video that looks like it came from a professional studio. I also made TV commercial scenes and singing videos using the same method.
I found my fire. No more hiding. I'm rising higher. I'm rising
Clearly, this model is extremely powerful and flexible. Now let's talk about the most powerful feature, multi-reference mode. This is where Seedance 2.0 stands out from other AI video tools. Instead of using only text prompts, you can guide the AI using multiple references. Image references define characters, environments, and visual style. Video references control motion, camera movement, and animation style. And audio references influence rhythm, timing, and emotional tone. Let me show you how it works. Go to the text-to-video section and select Seedance 2.0 as the model. Then choose Reference to Video. Next, upload your reference materials. For example, I upload 2 character images, 1 background image, 1 reference video to guide motion. You can also add an audio track to control pacing and emotion. After that, write a clear prompt explaining what should happen. For example, I type, referring to the characters in Image 1 and Image 2, imitate the actions in Video 1 and fight in the forest shown in Image 3. Finally, click Generate.
You picked the wrong fight.
I don't have a choice.
The result is amazing. The final video feels like a real animated movie scene. The camera moves smoothly between wide shots and close-ups. The forest feels alive with moving water and soft sunlight. Meanwhile, the characters move naturally with stable faces and clean body motion. This shows how powerful the multi-reference system really is. Overall, Luva AI is very impressive. Inside Luva, you can generate images with Nano Banana Pro, animate them with Seedance 2.0, and combine different references to create cinematic AI videos. Plus, Luva offers many other AI tools that creators need every day. It brings together the newest AI technology in one simple workflow, making it much easier to produce high-quality results. Right now, Seedance 2.0 is available with exclusive early access on Luva. If you're interested, you can try their paid plan, which offers unlimited Nano Banana Pro and access to Seedance 2.0 with a 52% discount. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description and give it a try. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.